Good morning, students. This is Professor Nitin Karoulia from Saga Institute of Research and Technology Excellence, Bhopal, Department of MBA. So the topic that we are going to take up today is the organizing process. So organization is the process of establishing a relationship among the members of the enterprise. The relationships are created in terms of authority and responsibility. To organize is to harmonize, coordinate, or arrange in a logical and orderly manner. Each member in the organization is assigned a specific responsibility or duty to perform and is granted the corresponding authority to perform his duty. Now we will be taking up the organization process from where it starts and how it moves on. So the first step in the organizing process is determination of objectives. We understand that before organizing, we need to see what are the objectives of the organization for which the organization exists. So it is the first step in building up an organization. Organization is always related to certain objectives. Therefore, it is essential for the management to identify the objectives before starting any activity. Organization structure is built on the basis of the objectives of the enterprise. Second step is enumeration of objectives. If the members of the group are to pool their efforts effectively, there must be proper division of the major activities. The first step in organizing group effort is the division of the total job into essential activities. Each job should be properly classified and grouped. Third step is the classification of activities. The next step will be to classify activities according to similarities and common purposes and functions and taking the human and material resources into account. Then closely related and similar activities are grouped into divisions and departments, and departmental activities are further divided into sections. Then comes the assignment of duties. When the activities are classified or categorized, then comes the assignment of duties. Here, in this step, specific job assignments are made to different subordinates for ensuring a certainty of work performance. Each individual should be given a specific job to do according to his ability and made responsible for that. He should also be given the adequate authority to do the job assigned to him. Fifth step in the organizing process is delegation of authority. Since so many individuals work in the same organization, it is the responsibility of management to lay down structure of relationship in the organization. Authority without responsibility is a dangerous thing, and similarly, responsibility without authority is an empty vessel. Everybody should clearly know to whom he is accountable. Corresponding to the responsibility, authority is delegated to the subordinates for enabling them to show work performance. So that is all in the today's organizing process. We will be taking up the formal and informal types of organization in the next lecture. Thank you.